All right, folks, let's dive right into it. Today, the focus is on something super important but often overlooked: sexual health for young adults. Here are 5 must-know tips to keep everyone safe and informed. So buckle up and let's get started. First up, always use protection. This one's a no-brainer, right? Whether it's condoms, dental dams, or other forms of barrier protection, they are the frontline defense against STIs and unplanned pregnancies. And hey, it's not just about preventing pregnancy, it's about keeping everyone healthy. Next, get regular checkups. Think of it like taking a car in for a tune-up. Regular STI screenings are crucial, especially if sexually active with multiple partners. Most infections are treatable, but it's impossible to fix what isn't known to be broken, right? So, don't skip those doctor visits. Third tip: communication is key. Talk to partners about sexual health and boundaries. It might feel awkward at first, but trust me, it's way better than dealing with the fallout of not having that conversation. Being open and honest helps build trust and can actually strengthen relationships. Now let's talk about consent. Consent isn't just a one-time checkmark, it's an ongoing conversation. Both individuals need to be on the same page every step of the way. And remember, no means no, and only yes means yes. Simple as that. Last but definitely not least, educate oneself. Knowledge is power, folks. There are tons of resources out there. Books, websites, even YouTube channels dedicated to sexual health. Stay informed and stay safe. All right, let's recap. Use protection, get regular checkups, communicate with partners, understand consent, and always educate oneself. These aren't just tips, they're a toolkit for a healthy and happy sexual life. And remember, if ever in doubt, don't hesitate to reach out to a healthcare professional. They've got the back. Thanks for tuning in, folks. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more tips on living the best life. Stay safe, stay informed, and catch you next time.